am visualizing an amazing outcome and I see myself in it and I feel myself, and that's the most important part, to feel. Hi, I'm Judit Ronai. I'm an intuitive spiritual advisor and I'm a big advocate of meditation. I'm meditating for a very, very long time. Meditation really helps to keep you in a higher vibration, above the neutral state of mind, and be in the flow, be in the information, in the positive energies. Different situations require different type of meditation. When I just want to recharge my batteries, I'm using relaxing meditation, relaxing guided meditation per se, like Relax Lite or any other meditation on YouTube, but it's just simply guided meditation. It helps me to recharge my batteries. It takes 10, 15, maybe 20 minutes. And even when I snooze with it, because I'm overly tired, that meditation is different because my consciousness is still listening to meditation. It gives me at least like a 2-3 hours amazing restful sleep. There is another type of meditation, what I call mantra meditation. It's good for when your mind is overloaded, like you cannot even go to sleep because it just cannot stop. It's too many thoughts. Our brains are creating thoughts. You cannot stop that. But with a mantra, because it's a gibberish word, whatever mantra you use, moksha, satchit, ananda, soham, whatever it is, when you start to repeat monotone in that word, it helps you to recharge your batteries and calm your mind. Mantra doesn't create chain of thoughts. And even when you start to run back to your thought, it's like, oh, okay, I'm thinking again. You just realize and you go back to your mantra. When you make consciously this choice, your brain is able to calm down and you can go to sleep. Like when you keep the soham, soham, soham is like a breathing, nothing else, like soham. And it's the monotone thing helps you to go to sleep or helps to calm your mind. When I want something in the future to happen for me, I'm using the manifesting visualization meditations. When I seeing myself at the moment how it is, but it's okay, it can be pretty good, but I want something more, okay? I want something more delicious, more vibrant, or more successful, or more money in it, whatever it is. I am visualizing an amazing outcome and I see myself in it and I feel myself, and that's the most important part, to feel like how happy you are, how is that going to feel. All your senses is just like wow, 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 boom. You see like how many people are going to benefit when you have that future outcome, and when you are fine, everybody is fine around you. When you let this outcome by spirits, by the angels, to deliver it what they see the best for you, so you detach yourself a rigid outcome, you just let, okay, I turn this over to your spirit for perfect outworking, whatever is the best for me. So when you have this emotion and you have this freedom, that's the time when you can use this energy, you can use this knowledge with open eye meditation. So that's another type of meditation. When you are walking or you're lining up or you're driving, you just recall this emotion, repeating how is that feels, what you really want. And it's like literally when you have a plant and you're just watering, and that plant is going to grow. It's going to turn out something amazing. There is another meditation I use when I want to channel information. I like to use with essential oils. Sometimes I'm meditating with a crystal because it has that connection for me. Okay, now we are doing this. So when I have a question, what I haven't find the answer, and I'm asking answer from the universe, or just something like, okay, what should I do? I'm putting the question out and I just allowed the answer coming to me. Sometimes the answer comes right away, but sometimes the answer comes down the road. The intention and my senses, I'm looking for an answer, they understand and they're going to deliver it to you. So that's how a different situation can be enhanced with different type of meditation and keeps you in charge. And that's important because we are powerful beings. Your intention is going to bring what is the best for you. That's all we want. We want to feel deserve a better life and be in charge and make it happen. And when you get the signs and when you see how much benefit this different type of meditation can give you, yes, you cannot afford not to meditate. If you like to have more inspiration, more idea, or weekly energy boost, just join to my community. I hope you enjoy this and see you around.